Let's get real for a second. Everybody's talking about learning AI, but nobody's talking about the tidal wave that's already hit. The truth, in the next 12 months, the top earners in this industry and every industry are not gonna be the programmers, the marketers, or the salespeople. No, they're gonna be the AI power users. That's not a prediction, it's a warning, and definitely heed it, because the money is going to be flowing towards the people who know how to make AI work for them, not the people who just dabble with ChatGPT for the next clever tweet. So check it. I'm gonna walk you through the 9 highest paid AI skills. Yes, real, actionable, income generating skills, even if you're starting from zero. And the last one is definitely the game changer. Wait. Before you tune out thinking that this is another ChatGPT tutorial, you're wrong. Because let me ask you a question. When was the last time that you missed out on a major technology shift? Think of email marketing, YouTube, Bitcoin, maybe even the .com era, or I hate saying it, all 4. Well, this is the AI wave right now, and it's steamrolling over people like you wouldn't believe. Let me paint you a picture here. Most people type their questions into AI like it's a search bar. Do my homework, write my email, make me a marketing plan, and then they wonder why the results are garbage. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. The quality of your outcome is determined by the quality of your input. The better the input, the better the output. It's not magic, right? It's simple. And it's not going to save you from you. You have to be better at the prompt to get a better result. So why do so many people fail? Because they treat it like Google, not a high-powered assistant that needs clear and concise direction. First on our list, prompt engineering. It's the secret language of AI, and it's what is required to be understood to get the best outputs. The income can be $50 to $100 an hour if done right. So did you know that communication with AI is just as valuable as coding was in the early 2000s? That's right. But the secret is knowing how to speak to the AI. You're probably wondering what that means. So here's my 4-part structure that my teams use in our businesses that nobody's telling you about. Number 1, define the role. Tell AI who it should be. You are an expert marketer. You are an expert lawyer. You are an expert designer. Okay, Chris, we get the point. I just want to drive it home. Number 2 is feed it real data and real examples. The more data that you put into it, the better the situation and recommendation and details it will give you on the output. The more you show it, the smarter it gets. Number 3 is be crystal clear on the ask. Vague equals a trash output. Be very specific, completely specific on this. And number 4 is request the format. Bullet points, PDF, spreadsheet, you call the shots. It's just providing you the information. And a pro tip here is most AI experts miss step 4. That's the difference between a $10 an hour prompt and a $100 an hour prompt. Second up on our list, AI-assisted software development. You've heard a lot about this. No code, no problem, and the income's about $100 to $200 per hour. That's right. Remember when software used to be just for coders? Not anymore. Now, anyone with a business idea can use AI coding tools to build an app, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. What's the catch? The friction is this. Most people are consuming self-help, podcasts, books, YouTube videos without ever implementing. The only way to cash in? JFDI, just freaking do it. That's right. Find a real world business problem, ask AI to walk you through it step by step, and then launch. It's simple. The secret, the people who do not just learn will own this decade. Third on the list, AI designs from 6 figures to masterpieces. That's right, this is also $100 to $200 per hour. Remember the horror show images from last year? That's right, 6 fingers, 3 eyes, all of this stuff. Well, guess what? The quality and the technology has leapfrogged since then, which now it's nearly photorealistic, meaning you can barely tell a fake photo from a real one. And so the design is now about the idea, not the technical skill. Mastering these 3 skills, though, will put you in the lead. Number 1, being generative photo, using AI to create original images and products. Number 2, AI photo editing, basically Photoshop on steroids. And number 3, web design with AI. Tools like Figma and Reloom launch full websites without any coding. And the pro tip, businesses will still pay $10,000 to $20,000 for a website, which you can build for a fraction of the price and with the assistance of AI. 4 on the list, AI video editing. It's the creative shortcut, also 100 to 200 an hour. So here's the secret war. Video used to be about technical chops. Now it's about creative vision. With AI, you can do a few things like instantly remove silence, edit, and clip long videos into viral shorts. I do this in my business every day. Generate realistic AI avatars. Some influencers never even record their own videos anymore. They do a photo or a video, and then they use that with the AI to post other videos where they just load the script in. And number 3 is search terabytes of footage for the perfect B-roll with just a click. And the bonus, even teens are making cash as AI clippers, so why not you? 5 on the list, AI writing. Your ideas, but amplified, also 100 to 200 an hour. So here's the trap. People use AI to write for them, and then they wonder why it reads like a robot, especially where it says in conclusion at the end. The winners, those are the ones that use AI to extract golden stories, generate new ideas, and mimic exact voices so the content feels human, not canned or created. The secret, the most valuable skill is knowing how to get AI to think like you or your client. That's what big brands pay for. 6 on the list, AI content marketing, complete omnipresence, $200 to $300 an hour. So let me break the illusion here. Top newsletters and podcasts, think Arnold's Pump Club, are now run entirely by AI. That's right, he's not writing and he's not recording. The agency runs it all, powered by AI. You can build AI engines for clients that pump out content across every platform, 24/7, making you or your client everywhere at once. Believe it or not, this is where a lot of my money is generated in one of my marketing businesses, omnipresence and AI content marketing. The strategies, the ads, the omnipresence, the syndication of content all over. I can't tell you how valuable this is when you master this. I run my entire business from this, and guess what? I generate $50,000 to $100,000 per client by doing just this. Number 7 on our list, no code AI automation, the new passive income, $300 to $400 an hour. Every business leaks money through inefficient workflows. I know this as a Six Sigma black belt who fixes businesses with these problems. And if you can find the bottlenecks and build AI-powered automations using tools like Zapier or Make, N8N, you'll save them a fortune. But here's the twist. Don't automate for automation's sake. Automate the things that save or make money first. Secret, build co-pilots. AI tools that work alongside the humans, not instead of them, because you're gonna get friction. And that's where the trust and big paydays happen. Number 8 on the list, AI data analysis, turning noise into complete gold, $300 to $400 an hour. So without data, businesses are guessing, just as you would as well. With AI, you can clean up messy data, enrich it, add details in public sources, and extract actionable insights that drive profits. The aha moment here, companies that survive this decade are gonna be the ones that are making decisions based on real data, not just gut feelings. One bonus tip here, we use this in some of our accounting to filter through massive transactions, categorize them, and do many things that would cost us hundreds of dollars. And number 9 on the list, AI agent development, replacing jobs ethically, and the income here, $400 to $500 an hour. So here's the elephant in the room. Is AI gonna take your job? Great question. Here's the truth, AI won't, but a person using AI definitely will. If you're not building and deploying AI agents that replace repetitive roles, someone else will. It comes down to that. So define the job, train the model, deploy and improve. You'll become irreplaceable. So let's be blunt here. You might be feeling overwhelmed right about now. I get it, I would be too. Or you might be telling yourself that you're not technical enough. But here's what separates the next wave of millionaires from the crowd. They act, even if they're uncertain. Learn fast, fail fast, you learn better and you learn faster. They ride the wave instead of waiting for the next one. Action beats inaction, even if it's imperfect. So don't sleep on this. Don't delay. You were meant for greatness. Get out there, get the information, and start now. Because you've got the playbook to make AI your ally, not your replacement. There's so much information online. If you just type in AI agents on YouTube, on X, on any one of these platforms, there's people that are giving this stuff away for free. They're literally giving you the playbook. Plus, you can learn from AI. You're learning from AI on how to use AI and how to code and how to make agents. Everything is there. You just have to take the action.